All right, here we go. Question number 10 for our pre-calculus homework number 1 in MyLab Math. Here they want us to find the difference quotient, that is this formula, for this function, which I've already written over here in our scratch work. And if we dive right into the difference quotient, the first piece of the puzzle that we're going to have to find is f of x plus h. And that means that we're going to replace every x in f of x with x plus h. And then once we get that written, we're going to need to simplify that. So x plus h squared means we're going to have to multiply by itself. That's going to indicate the FOIL method. The negative 6 can go ahead and distribute. And the 5's going to come down. And now let's F it up. Let's FOIL it. X times x, x squared. On the outside, we have a plus xh. On the inside, another xh. And you do understand that h times x could be either hx or xh. Because multiplication is commutative, I just prefer xh this time. Last but not least, h times h is h squared minus 6x minus 6h plus 5. And then we're going to combine like terms. So we have an x squared plus 2 of these, 2xh plus h squared minus 6x minus 6h plus 5. And that does it for the first piece of the puzzle, which is the f of x plus h. Notice in the difference quotient, the next thing we need to do is subtract f of x. So if we take our result for f of x plus h and subtract f of x, let's write it like this, minus f of x is x squared minus 6x plus 5. That's going to give us a negative x squared, which will cancel the positive x squared. Negative and negative, that's going to give us a plus 6x, which will cancel the minus 6x. And minus 5 will cancel the plus 5. So once we distribute the negative and combine like terms, we are going to have 3 terms left. 2xh plus h squared minus 6h. So if we write those down, we've got 2xh plus h squared minus 6h. In the difference quotient, notice it does say all over h. And then if this fraction will reduce, we need to reduce it. Notice in the numerator that all 3 terms have an h. That means I can factor out an h, and that will leave me 2x plus h minus 6 all over h, and then those h's will cancel. So the simplified answer for the difference quotient will be 2x plus h minus 6, and that's what we need to put in the answer box. So we've got 2x plus h minus 6, and we're done. So that's going to do it for this particular problem. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave those in the comment section below, or you can text me, and thanks for watching.